Hi, I'm Ray, and this is BB-8. We live on Jakku. Nobody messes with us.
I don't know your name.
Finn, what's yours?
I'm Ray.
This summer, a lot is going on.
BB-8 says he's on a secret mission. He has to get back to your base.
And it seems like a lot is changing.
Are you offering me a job?
I'm thinking about it.
We're meeting different guys,
Got a boyfriend? Cute boyfriend?
None of your business.
trying to figure out some weird new feelings.
You will remove these restraints and leave this cell with the door open.
Just as fast as we fell in love, she disappeared.
And basically dealing with life.
We came here for your help.
You've been running away from this fight for too long. Not fight. The only fight. Against the dark side. You must face it.
Come with me.
I don't want any part of this.
Where's Ray?
I saw him.
Find your friend.
We could have never known how the summer would turn out. But you know what? It's turning out to be a summer we'll never forget.
From the pages of the best-selling books that have captivated a generation comes the movie about 7 devoted friends and the extraordinary summer that changed them all.
We're more than just the resistance. We're friends. Best friends. Nothing could ever change that.
We'll figure it out. We'll use force. That's not how the force works.
So?
I will not be seduced.